Life is better by the pool. Stay cool, y'all. Anyway, I have another unboxing. This one is from Distracted by Diamonds. First purchase that I've made from them. Honestly, I already unboxed it, but I wanted to come on here and show you all which one I got. It's Unbothered. Again, Distracted by Diamonds. She's also known as Patty Wax. Give her wax a try. And this is part of her diversity images that she put out, I believe, collection. And let me just show you real quick. I don't even remember, you all, if I received a toolkit in this box. I may have, I can't remember, because when I get my boxes, I open them and I take the toolkits out, I set them to the side, I actually break up everything, put it in little, in order, and I end up giving it away because I have my own trays, my own pens, my own patty wax and putty, and so I'm not holding on to them. There's no reason. So I don't remember, my apologies. You may even be able to select, she has an Etsy shop, and I'll click that down below so that you can get to this image. Hopefully it's still there, but at the very least you can get to her shop, order yourself some patty wax to use in your single placer. I try to use it in my multi-placer. If you all know how to do that successfully, please let me know, because I wasn't able to do it successfully, but I'd love to learn how. I'm always open to learning, so if you have anything that you'd like for me to know, I say anything that's incorrect, please correct me, because I want to know. Anyhow, these are the drills. Again, when you buy from these small shops, you usually get them in individual bags like this, rather than the cellophane from the factories that you have to cut every one, and then you have static and it's all over you, your dog, the family, your feet, your hair, whatever. Anyhow, with these, you can just diamond art do your diamond painting right out of the bag if you like, and if not, you can use your sticker sheet, which is already in another place right now because I opened this previously, but you get a sticker sheet with stickers that you can use to put on your container for the drills that you're going to be using. So let's take a look. This is Unbothered by Distracted by Diamonds. And I had to have it because she's beautiful. And she has big eyes. There I am again. I think I have a thing for big eyes, y'all. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? I don't know the words. I don't care. This is who I am. Isn't she gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. The rendering is well done too. She is 46 colors, y'all. And it is called Unbothered, and it was done by Brian Dean Rollison. Brian Dean Rollison. I like his art. She has some others up too. And of course I have to get it. Oh, but I can see that. It didn't look like it. By the way, I just looked at the canvas. But seriously, when I have my light pad and I have a light overhead, I'll be able to see it just fine. You can see it from there, right? Focus. Pretty colors. I hope I'm doing it justice. And I'm unbothered. It's just to honor strong women. And she looks like a strong woman. So after I finished it, I will do another video so you all can see her completed. Okay, that's all for now. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up, subscribe, it's free, And next time I post a video, you'll be notified. Thanks for stopping in. Bye, y'all.